this video, we're going to be talking about how to bypass Instagram 2FA if you lost your phone. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So to bypass your Instagram 2FA without your phone, what you need to do is try to use the backup codes first. So when you first set up your 2FA, Instagram provided a list of recovery codes. Search your files or password manager for these codes and enter one at the 2FA prompt. If that doesn't work, then also try attempt logging in from a computer or tablet where you previously selected trust this device. You may be able to log in without a code and disable 2FA in settings or security. And that is about it. If not, then the final thing what you can do is simply go ahead into any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for Instagram.com or Instagram support, just like that. Simply go ahead and search for the support email and then simply go ahead and email this Instagram email, which is at support.instagram.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.